Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to mute someone else's on your Google Chat application by iPhone. So if you want to avoid someone chat on Google Chat, you just need to mute it so that the notification not gonna be or not gonna come up into your phone. To do that, you just need to open the Google Chat application, open your app library and just type chat and just click it to open it. The next thing you need to do is just go pick the account that you want to mute here. Let's say I would like to mute my friends here. So to do that, you just need to go click the name of your friends and there will be like several options here. So to mute it, you just need to simply click it, mute. And there will be like shown here, the notification is going to be muted. So whenever your friends here giving you a message, sending you a chat, they will not gonna receive any notifications from him. So that is the way guys how to mute someone on Google Chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.